Good day, everyone. It's Rita here, and I am here to draw the winner for the Trash to Treasure Junk Journal. And I'm sure all of you have seen it because all of you have commented, but if you haven't and you want to go back and check out the videos, just look for Trash It Tuesday in my playlist, or I think it says Trash It Tuesday, or could be Trash to Treasure. It could be. I'm not sure. Anyway, yeah, so, and then I'm going to be starting another one, so just keep watching and see what we come up with new trash. So, there's the little book, and everybody seems excited about winning it. So, the only thing you had to do was leave a comment, and if you were a subscriber from another country, because of the shipping, you had to be absolutely a subscriber. Okay, so the other thing I was going to mention, what was it? Oh my gosh. Oh, if you commented twice, we'll have to redraw. If the name comes up and comes up twice. Oh, it won't. I'm sorry, it won't, because I didn't have a special word. Okay, I'm sorry. I am a little confused all the time. So, I'm going to move that over, and here is my iPad, and I hope that there's not too much of a glare, but I've already entered the ULR into this program, and this is called the commentpicker.com, which is, I think, through YouTube. So here we go. Good luck, everyone. Okay, here, let's go again. Oh, wait a minute. Did it take my link out? Hold on. Okay, well, let me go back and get the link again. Evidently, I might have put this in too soon, so I will go back and redo that. Hold on. Okay, I tried again to put the right link in, I guess. So I'm going to try this. I hope it works. Oh my goodness. It worked a while ago because I tested it on an old video. Okay, there's 52 comments. I don't know if that seems right or not. Oh, there it goes. Beverly Nilsson. Beautiful journal. Thanks for the flip through. Okay, so Beverly Nilsson, just go to my email in the description below the video or below this video, and you can send me an email with your address. So thanks for watching, and I hope you're still watching. I will do another drawing if this one doesn't show up. I will do it on Tuesday of next week, which is, let's see, I had a calendar here, but I don't know what I did with it. Well, anyway, Tuesday of next week, and I'll put it in the description, the date, because today is the 13th, so 7 days from that. Okay, so thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little series on this journal, and we'll start another one and see how long it takes us to make a complete journal. and then I will have another giveaway. Now, these are things that you can just take apart if you want, or you can pull out the journal cards and use them for another project. You know, that may be something to think about if you need some pieces of ephemera. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.